emergency.
But Wednesday at 1 is only a test.
All rise. Court is now in session. The Honorable Judge Lynn Toller presiding. You may be seated.
Whoa. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here with Bridget Martin and Tyrone Martin. Mr. and Mrs. Martin, you have been married for 20 years. You have one child together. Mrs. Martin and Mr. Martin, you now want...
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. The message you are hearing is part of a nationwide live code test of emergency alert system capabilities. This test message has been initiated by National Alert and Warning Authorities in coordination with emergency alert system participants, including broadcast, cable, satellite, and wireline participants in your area. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. This is only a test. We now return you to regular programming.
Okay? He talks very loud to me, to my son. He's just overbearing. He feels that he has to monopolize the whole conversation at all times.
But now, Mr. Martin, Mr. Martin, no, Mr. Martin, Mr. Martin, Mr. Martin.
This is what...
90.